solve a two-way-two Rubik's Cube, so let's go for it. As you can see, I have my Rubik's Cube scrambled. So before I solve the Rubik's Cube, I'm going to tell you the steps that I do to make my Rubik's Cube solved. First, I solve the white side. Then, while I'm solving the white side, I make sure that each side of the top layer should have the same color. Then after that, I go to the opposite side of white and solve the yellow. So let's start. As you can see, I have solved the white. While I solved the white, I wanted these top layers to have the same color, and I do. So that now I go to the bottom, I go to the opposite side of white, and now I solve the yellow. And now I have solved the yellow. And I still have white solved. But I have also green solved, which makes that blue doesn't have three like the other. Which is good because when I do this algorithm, it makes my whole cube solved. So I'm going to do this algorithm. And now I have solved all of the Rubik's Cube.